In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat music not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you can see the music icon, but the search results are empty, the app has lost its handshake. So if you go over to Snapchat, and then let me just try and record something as an example. And then if I click the music icon, there's nothing showing here. That could be, obviously a big issue. So what we want to do is we're going to swipe out of Snapchat, swipe down on the top right of our screen, and then you're going to see your control panel. Go ahead and turn on airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it off again. This is going to force a fresh IP address and re-authenticate your regional music library. So then go over back to Snapchat, press the music icon, and then you should see music here as normal. Then what you could also go ahead and do is try and clear the cache. So what we want to go ahead and do is go over to settings, scroll down to general, then go to iPhone storage. Once you're here, scroll down until you find Snapchat, then offload the app, and that's going to clear your cache. Now, while you're also in Snapchat, what you want to do is if your account is a business account, you're probably going to only see copyright-free music and not any pop tracks or anything like that. So what we want to do to double check that is I'm just going to abandon that, press your profile icon on the top left, then go over to settings on the top right. Now, once you're in settings, ensure you're not using a professional or creator account because that's going to be the reason why you're not seeing much music. So switch it back to a personal account and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.